Okay, so we just finished mounting the supports for the drawers, and one of the most difficult portions of that was this 1x2 in the front. The 1x2 that you can purchase at the hardware store, sometimes they've got some variation in it. And so what I had to do is make sure that the width from the top of the tabletop here down to here matched on both sides. And so let me show you how this is going to work out for our next step. And so the next step, of course, is going to be the drawers. And so each drawer, we're going to measure a faceplate, make a box, and then we have some plywood that's going to go on the bottom to form the bottom. And then we, of course, have some of the slides. So if you can imagine, this 1x4 is going to be the face frame of the drawer. And so you can see how it sits in there just like that. And then we'll have a box behind it. So let's get started. We'll cut all of this down and we'll come back once we're done. Okay, so we've just finished cutting the sides of each one of the drawers. And so if you'll look over here, you'll see what the next step is going to be. So what I've done is I've set out all of the different drawer slides that we have. And so the drawer slide, of course, it has a couple of components to it. This piece is going to attach to the side of the drawer. This is going to attach to the braces that we put earlier. And so what I need to do is I need to figure out where the middle is of each one of these drawers, because that's roughly about where the handle is going to be. And then I'll make a mark running right down the center of where those holes are at, making sure that it's level on each side. And then I'll mount those. And then I'll repeat that process with the side of the drawer. And so what I was able to find on YouTube is a lot of folks say that the easiest way to do this is to take the drawer side piece out and then put the side of the drawer onto each one of these, and then take your measurement and build the other side of the drawer. And that's exactly what we're going to do. So let's get started, and I'll come back here in just a few minutes when we're all done, and we'll talk about some next steps. Okay, so we moved back into the shade. Let's take a look at what we did. So I've gotten all 3 of the drawer frames made, and you can see they slide very nicely. I don't have the bottom on those yet, but what we'll do here while we end the video is we're going to cut the bottoms, and then we're also going to take them out and sand on the inside. And so we'll do a little bit of the finished sanding here. And the reason why I don't have the bottom on there is whenever I do sand it, it makes it a lot easier for me to get into some of these edges that I need to get into before that bottom is done. So we'll finish that up, and then in the next video, you'll see where we're doing more of the sanding, and then when we stain it, and you'll see the finished product.